Hey guys, what's going on? Today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of a Nerf gun. This is Michael. He already has his open. Right? We're going to do a review. This is a Nerf gun. It's
the best car.
It's orange. Yeah, this is the best car that we're in right now.
Okay.
I bought it for $7 at the store. I've never seen one like it, even though I think I have one at home. I'm not really sure. I've never seen one like it right now, though. We're just gonna. Hi. I'm doing a review.
We're gonna actually go left here and then go back out this way. Okay.
So we're just gonna open this guy up right here, and you guys can see that, right? Yeah, I know you can. I should be filming sideways.
Did I not just say don't fire that in the car?
So here's the gun. Comes with 2 shots, and they're blue.
It did come out of the barrel.
Now,
No, it didn't, because I held it like this.
here,
It came out enough to
look.
hit the ceiling.
So we got, and it shoots like that, and
it just nailed myself in the crotch.
I did. I nailed myself right directly there. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching this review. Look outside. More. This is the end of the video. Bye.